I'm in the driver's seat right now. Y'all, I'm driving right now. Y'all already know. I don't know how to drive. This is gonna be my first time driving. At the hospital because tell me why one of our people just died because they got hit by a train. What's good, just about this? Keep up another YouTube video. Even though I'm gonna be giving y'all a little day in the life vlog type stuff, type beats type stuff. Yeah, that. But look though, today's video, I'm just really about to be chilling and vlogging. I just said that. Why I keep saying it? I don't know. But yeah, I'm just about to be vlogging and stuff. Yeah, before we see the video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and let's get right into it. Oh yeah, I'm in the car now, but I forgot to tell y'all, make sure y'all go follow my Twitch at 3C Chris. Make sure y'all go follow my Twitch, cause I be streaming. I'm gonna start streaming I'm gonna try to stream every day, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to. But yeah, I just had to plug that in. So yeah, go follow my Twitch at 3C Chris. Right now I'm at Racetrack. Everybody looking at me weird. See the big camera. Look, I'm about to give me a drink though. What type of drinks y'all be getting? So I'm just got my drink. This gonna be a long vlog. Me and my brother going. Up on them. I'm about to go pay. So I'm gonna get back with y'all. I ain't gonna cap y'all. We going to the store right now. We're in the store right now. Hey y'all, at the last store, they ain't really have. They ain't too many people in the line, so we came to a different store. Yo, somebody made. Go to y'all.
Man, that's some fake ass shit, bitch. I done sunk your money and everything. You said it telling me.
She looked at the camera.
Bitch, I paid you for that already. And I guess she was I don't want to tell her about it. Some girl fucked you. I don't know if
I'm for the double cook. I'm about to double cook. Yeah. Man, this girl, it's crazy.
Window, I see them stars. My heart beating is yours though. Late now you know I be here. I don't know what I'm searching for. I wanted this to work, but it's not working. No.
I'm in the driver's seat right now. Y'all, I'm driving right now. Y'all already know. I don't know how to drive. This is gonna be my first time driving. I'm just playing, y'all.
Working out. Should I get around? I know you don't wanna be around. People say trying to.
Right now I'm calling on my phone. But look though, we're at the hospital because tell me why one of our people just died because they got hit by a train. Yeah, somebody just got hit by a train though. But yeah, y'all, I'm on my phone now. That's why my quality time they get. But yeah, so right now I'm in Walmart. You know, it's like 6 in the morning. Yeah, I'll tell you why this nigga coming to steal. This nigga coming to steal, son. Son, what you about to steal? What you finna steal? What you finna steal, brother? Brother, what you finna steal? What you finna steal? So we got money, right? Y'all, this is the end of the video. I hope y'all like this video. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm so sleepy right now. That's why I'm sleeping. I'm so sleepy right now. Yeah, make sure you go follow my Twitch, link in the description. All my socials link in the description. Make sure y'all can follow me if y'all want to see my daily life. And yeah, before I got the video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.